Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to slay some gorgeous shoulder length goddess braids using pre-stretched braiding extensions and Freetress deep twist hair. These braids give you that sleek, defined look with beautiful curls popping out. If you've been looking for a simple step-by-step guide, I've got you covered. So grab your tools, get comfy, and let's get started on this braiding journey. Before we jump in, let's talk about the products you'll need to slay this style. You'll need 1 pack of 10-inch Freetress deep twist hair extensions for those gorgeous curls, 3 packs of 32-inch expression braiding extensions for the braids, a rat tail comb for parting, a wide tooth comb to detangle your hair, braiding gel to keep everything sleek, hair clips to section and hold the hair, and hair mousse to reduce frizz and set the style. All links to these products are in the description box. Start by washing and conditioning your hair, then detangle thoroughly. Use a blow dryer with a comb attachment to stretch it out. This helps it blend seamlessly into the braids, especially for kinky hair. For the braiding extension and curly extensions, prep by separating it into small sections onto your braiding rack. This makes it easier to incorporate into your braids while braiding. Next, we'll move on to parting the hair. Start at the nape of your neck and work your way up. Use your rat tail comb to create clean, square parts. For this video, we are creating medium-sized goddess braids, so we would be creating 4 braids at the nape of the neck. To get a full look, we'll use the bricklayer method. That means the parts in the next row will fall between the parts in the first row. Take your time here. Neat parts make all the difference. Start a regular 3-strand braid with the natural hair. Braid once and feed in a small piece of the pre-stretched extensions. Continue braiding and feeding in small pieces of the pre-stretched extension as you go. Braid about 5 times to secure the base. Now let's add the Freetress hair for those curls. Take a small piece of the Freetress deep twist hair and add it to the braid. Braid 2 more times to secure it and leave out the curly strand. After leaving out the curls, continue braiding down with the pre-stretched extensions. At the tips, add another piece of Freetress hair to finish it off with those perfect curls. Take your time, and don't worry if it's not perfect this time. You'll get the hang of it as you keep practicing. Take a small piece of the braiding extension and make a knot, after which you want to seal the knot with nail glue. Trim off the excess braiding extension, leaving the ends loose for those bouncy, curly tips. Now here's something important to note. When working on these goddess braids, I intentionally staggered the braids. This means I added the Freetress hair to some sections and skipped it in others. The reason? The client wanted a sparser look. Not full, but more lightweight and airy. Staggering the braids helps achieve that even, scanty finish while also preventing unnecessary tension on any one area. Let's go over that step one more time to make sure it sticks. Start a regular 3-strand braid with the natural hair, braid once, and feed in a small piece of the pre-stretched extensions. Continue braiding and feeding in small pieces of the pre-stretched extension as you go. Braid about 5 times to secure the base. Now, take a small piece of the Freetress deep twist hair and add it to the braid. Braid 2 more times to secure it and leave out the curly strand. After leaving out the curls, continue braiding down with the pre-stretched extensions. At the tips, add another piece of Freetress hair to finish it off with those perfect curls. Create a knot, seal with nail glue, and cut away the excess extensions still popping out of the braids. If you've already subscribed, welcome back. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tutorial. Alright y'all, let's see who really knows their stuff. What's the best way to refresh the curls on your goddess braids? A. Brushing them out. B. Applying a generous amount of hair mousse and running your fingers through the curls. C. Wrapping them in a towel overnight. D. Using gel and a fine tooth comb. If you chose option B, then you are absolutely right. You can refresh your curls by applying a good amount of hair mousse and using your fingers to bring them back to life. Did you know that goddess braids have been around for centuries? They were originally worn in African culture as a symbol of creativity, status, and even to tell stories. Every braid had meaning and purpose, making it more than just a hairstyle. It was a true art form. Today, we get to honor that rich tradition while putting our own modern chic twist on it. For the finishing touches, we'll start by making the braids relax. To do this, I added some leave-in conditioner and hot water into a spray bottle and lightly sprayed it on the braids. Since Freetress hair is synthetic, I didn't want to dip the whole braids in hot water like you would with natural braids. Dipping synthetic curls in hot water would straighten them out, and we want to keep that curly texture intact. Now, if you're using human hair, you can safely dip it in hot water without affecting the curls. But for synthetic hair, I recommend this method instead. Another way to do this is by tying up the Freetress curls and dipping only the actual braids in hot water. Apply a generous amount of mousse to the braids to set the style, reduce frizz, and add shine. Don't forget to lay your edges with some gel and an edge brush to complete the look. And that's it, y'all. You've got flawless, shoulder-length goddess braids with those signature curls, perfect for any occasion. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beginner-friendly hairstyle tutorials.